Okay, this is going to be a quick tour of room 228 at the Premier Inn in Dumbarton, Scotland. So as soon as you come through the door, you've got a place to hang your coats up here on the left hand side. There's actually an air conditioner or a blower just above the door, and I can't actually switch that off. So even the thermostat's on the off position, it's still blowing some air out at the moment, so not sure what's happening there. Anyway, we've got a vanity mirror here and a hairdryer. We've got a wardrobe area here with, how many? 6 coat hangers on there, so enough for a night's worth of clothes there. Above it we've got some extra bedding. Then in the main section of the room here, this is a standard room by the way, so I've got one double bed here. Each side of the bed is a light switch and a plug. That's quite handy having a plug that close to the bed. The desk area is by here. Again, a couple of plugs there. Tea and coffee making facilities by here. Lamp above the desk and also a large mirror. On the wall we've got a flat screen TV. We've got a chair in the corner of the room. And it's a bit strange, but we're on the second floor. We've actually got patio French doors here, but you can't open them. And it's directly overlooking the road. I don't suppose you can see out there properly at the moment because it's night time. It's about 10 o'clock at night at the moment. Let's go and have a look at the bathroom. So here's the bathroom, standard Premier Inn bathroom if I'm honest. Toilet, sink and a stand-up shower. And we've got a couple of towels, bath towel there, hand towel there, and one for the floor over there. Bayliss and Harding body wash and shampoo in the shower, and Bayliss and Harding hand wash by the sink. So just to give you an idea of price, this is a Friday night in the middle of February. I only booked it yesterday, so it's kind of last minute, and this is costing £53 for one night. So I hope you enjoyed the quick little tour around this room. If you've enjoyed it, please think about liking, subscribing and hitting that notification button. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.